Amazon Associate Affiliate Program Alternatives. That's what we'll be talking about today. But first, please do subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. And let's just get right into this. Alright, so as you know, Amazon has slashed their commission structure once again. Once again, they slashed their commission structure to like on some categories up to 80%. So if you're looking for some alternatives, or if you're just starting for affiliate marketing here, I'm going to show you a couple different places that you can check out. What we're looking right now on my screen is called Affiliate Program Search, and we're going to get to this last, but I'm going to come back to this. You can search a bunch of different places at once here and all that good stuff. So let's just check out a few alternatives here and let's get into it. Alright, so most companies will have affiliate programs usually listed on the bottom of their website. Now, this is Musician's Friend website, music store. If you just scroll down here, alright, so right over here, Services Affiliate Program. Now, when you click on that, to join their affiliate program, there's a place called Commission Junction. So these are places, Commission Junction, like right here, CJ.com, is a place where that hosts lots of different companies run their affiliate programs through like third parties. So that's why I'm showing you this. So this is a website here that has a gazillion different companies that they work with and everything like that. So CJ.com is one. Here's some brands right here: GoPro, Barnes & Noble, Lowe's, Office Depot, Priceline, J.Crew, Overstock.com. Now, the downside of joining multiple affiliate programs or affiliate networks like this is that there's so many different rules for each one. So you definitely got to take your time, keep up to date on all their details and rules and regulations and stuff like that. And I'm not going to go into all that because that stuff always changes over time, depending on different companies too. So you'd want to come here and just sign up as a publisher. So that's one right there. Second up is Rakuten Advertising. So that's these links will be down in the video description below as well. Again, kind of the same thing. They have a bunch of different companies they work with, and you just get your affiliate links and all the stuff from this site here. Here's some of their partners: JetBlue, Patience, Digital Tech. There's a lot. You'd have to go look and find out what you're looking for here. You'd be a publisher. Just click here. Affiliate for publishers. Publisher sign up. You just go to the forums here and sign up and do all your details and everything. So again, there's probably certain companies that would use this one that you could find through the company, or if you just want to sign up for these and find products that way, that's good too. ShareASale is another one that has, I don't know how many, lots of different merchants here. You can check out popular merchants. They got like sports jerseys and stuff. They got all these companies down here, and Zazzle, Weebly. So depending on what you're looking for here, this is another place that you're gonna sign up for. And again, I'm not gonna go through all the details of every single one because, like I said, they always change. There's over close to 4,000 affiliate programs in this one here. So all these ones I'm mentioning have lots and lots of affiliates because these are big networks that have been around for a while. Next one up here is Awin. Same kind of deal. Check it out. You can be a publisher, influencers. There's some different companies you can promote. And again, they have thousands upon thousands. So the next one up here, the next two you probably heard of, eBay. They have a partner network as well. You can sign up right there. Go to eBay. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Again, like I said, you'll find their affiliate links. So here's another one. Like anything that you want to promote on eBay. Like say, I have companies that I've been working with from Amazon. And for example, some of the products, they have stores on Amazon and they have stores on eBay. Very common thing to do. So if you're promoting products from Amazon, just create new affiliate links and then get rid of your Amazon links and drive them to eBay. That's another option. It could take a long time depending on how many affiliate links you have, but that is another option. And then there's Etsy as well. Etsy, if you don't know, it's basically people create their own products, artists and stuff, and soaps and whatever else you got. So they have an affiliate program too. I did try to join this one once, and they have like some certain rules that actually got denied for this one. I forget the reason why, obviously, or at this time, but because it was a while ago. So you can get denied for these as well. You have to have some kind of web presence for the most part and stuff going on for you. So anyways, these are just a couple different alternatives here for you. The next thing I want to show you here is the affiliate program search. It's built inside Wealthy Affiliate. It is for Wealthy Affiliate members. That's what I'm showing you last. And if you do want to get a free account membership for Wealthy Affiliate, check the link in the video description below for more details. It's basically a web platform and community for training for affiliate marketing and stuff. But they have a thing here called affiliate marketing or affiliate program search, and you can pretty much search for anything. And they have a lot of these networks connected here, like Awin, CJ, and such, and lots of other ones. ClickBank that I didn't mention, and a bunch of other ones. Some of the companies just do independent through their own network. So here you just search for a product. There's the good thing about this is there's popular ones, there's high commission paying ones like $2,000 here, so on and so forth. High percentage, 100% commission on that one, and so on and so forth. So this is pretty cool too. Trending opportunities. AliExpress is another one I didn't mention, but you can go here, click on that, check it out, join this program. Now this still is going to require you to join the affiliate program. For example, let's go back here, and you can search by keywords, popular health and fitness. Let's do health and fitness real quick. So this one's on Awin. So if you want to view the details of this, it tells you the details, gives you keywords. You can visit the website for the product. And if you join the program, you're still going to have to join through Awin here, which is the company I showed you earlier, as you can see. So, but this is just a good place to find products if you're searching for a specific product that you already know about, or you just want to find new products or whatever. And then you can store your affiliate links here, which is good for sometimes, companies change their affiliate programs and stuff like that. And so anyways, just some quick alternatives for you today. That should be enough ideas to check things out. That's all I wanted to talk about today. If you guys know of any other ones, there are a lot of other ones, but put them in the comments down below and we'll check them out. So that is all for today. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog if you want to check those out as well. And I will talk to you soon.